Hey guys, showing you this Apple iPhone 13 mini clear polycarbonate case with MagSafe. So this is from the Apple itself. So this is not a third party case. This is the sold and made by Apple or designed by Apple. And you can see the packing itself is like the Apple genuine packing. So this is a really heart shaped polycarbonate case. And this is all the manual and stuff. So this case is a really good one, and I'm just trying to put in my iPhone 13 mini in it to show you the fitting. Okay, it fits really well in the corner of the camera and everything. This is the MagSafe on the back so that you can charge it through the MagSafe container. The buttons are really smooth, working fine, with the volume up and down button as well. You can see this is working all good, no issue with this one. There is a little bit curve, and then this thing is opened, like there is no covering here with the speaker and the charging cable. It's okay for the charging cable, but I'm just worried about a little bit on the top corner thing, like the body. But yeah, like for the MagSafe, and the feel is really nice, and this is the clear one. This is the MagSafe charging charger, like the third party one. See, like it's sticking really well with this magnet, and just start charging perfectly. You can see like the charging indicator going on. So basically, I think it's a nice case by Apple for this iPhone 13 mini with a MagSafe charging with the hold, and really good and nice in the hand with the grip.